All right, guys, I am finally getting around to putting a review on Instagram regarding these Amrita protein bars and protein bites. I've had them for a couple weeks actually, but I didn't want to post a review until I actually tried them because then that's not honest. But with that being said, they are actually super duper good. They're vegan, obviously, gluten-free, which is not really that important to me, but I know it is to some people. So that's also great for other people that want gluten-free things. I do like the bars because they are great like after a workout because they're full of protein, and I love their ingredients as well. But I think out of all of these, my favorite, I still reach for the bites instead of the bars just because they're teeny and they're perfect for post or even pre-workout. But my favorite one, I think, is, well, before I was rudely cut off, I was wanting to show you guys my favorite, the apple cinnamon bites, and they look like, excuse me, please come out of the bag. They're like this. So they're perfect little bites, post, pre-workout, or just for a fun snack or even dessert if you'd like. But yeah, check them out. They're yummy, 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 yummy.